Hey guys, please excuse my drunk ass face. We're in a flea market. So nice. There's cowboy belts, necklaces. Craig is here.
Hello, shopping time. What's
Bonsoir. And there's more over here. Ooh, ang gulo ng buhok ko. And also, uminom kami sa beachfront. Kwentuhan about life. And now, we are suddenly in a super nice area with lots of restaurants. Grabe. Guys, I love Nice. It's super nice. Look at that. Lots of restaurants, lots of tourists. Especially when you walk there, dun kami galing. Sobrang nice. Tapos, ito yung market. Oh, you see that? It's so nice. It's really nice to walk around. And there's even restaurants kahit na gabi na, hindi katulad sa Paris. Pagdating ng 8 p.m. nagsasara lahat. What is this? Oh, coin purse. So nice. Hey. 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 Hi. Bonjour! We are finally in South of France! It's super nice here, guys. We are in the heart of South of France, which is Nice. Everyone goes here. And to give you some information, this is just 6 hours train from Paris, and I think 3 hours train from Milan. So, dinaanan na namin tong South of France para at least after here, we can go to Nice and magkita-kita ulit kami nila Raf. So, if you guys can imagine sa map, this is Paris, this is South of France, and then this is Milan. So, madadaanan mo talaga siya if you really want to go to the beach. Finally, we are here. Yesterday, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi we just explored the city. Tinignan namin kung malapit ba yung beach, which is good, guys. Sobrang nice itong Airbnb na nakita ko. This can fit 4 people. Spacious naman yung sala niya, kaya lang sobrang kalat. So, please excuse the mess. And this can fit 4 people. Pwedeng ito tinransform namin to bed, and then this one din, there's a bed, tapos may CR, and sobrang spacious niya, pwede ka rin magluto. So, I'll try to put the link in the description if you guys wanna check this out. But isa din sa napansin ko when we explored yesterday was cheap ng mga restaurants here compared to Paris, which is, I think, dapat naman talaga kasi syempre Paris is the main city of France, and dito mura lang yung mga pagkain, and also, we are in the heart of Nice talaga. So, paglabas namin dyan sa place namin, puro restaurant sa labas, ang daming restaurants, ang daming mga bilihan ng mga souvenirs, and also at night, it's super duper nice kasi there's lots of mini market, may mga stalls ng jewelries, souvenirs, clothes, and stuff, so you can also explore that. And this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this tank top from Ice Refugee, and naka-shorts lang din ako, and slippers. This one is from Zara. This is from Emirates. And then, this is my new bag from Ami Paris. It's a rattan bag. Super nice and spacious. And meron siyang, look at that, meron siyang string where you can close it para hindi masyadong expose yung gamit mo. Super spacious. I can just put everything there. So, bigat na siya. Meron siyang mga towels and stuff. May extra swim shirts din ako because today is our official full day here in Nice, and we might also go to Antibes, which I'm super excited to explore. This is also near Monaco, Cannes, and Nice and Marseille, and also Saint-Tropez, but by boat for 2 hours. So, yun, kailangan mong i-book. I-try ko lang din ilagay yung sa description yung link how to book and saan pwede mag-book and kung magkano para at least may idea kayo in case you guys are wondering and interested to visit Saint-Tropez. Dream place ko yung Saint-Tropez visit, so I'm super excited to visit that tomorrow dahil nakabook na kami ng boat. But yeah, that's all for today. I'm super excited. So dahil mainit dito, nakapag-sunblock na rin ako, kaya let's go, mag-swimming na tayo. Guys, we are now walking outside. Ito ang labas namin, guys. Look at that. Lots of nice restaurants. Diba? And ito, merong mga parang groceries ng clothes and stuff, flowers. souvenirs and all. Today we are going to
Boca Beach Club.
So we're going to Boca Beach Club. Actually late na kami. Hindi kami nagising ng ng 9:30. So tatry namin kung pwede pa rin mag-walk-in kasi we booked a beach bed as may restaurant din doon. Yun yung uso kasi dito. Ba't ako nakatalikod sa inyo? So yun yung uso dito. And then for my outfit, I decided to put on this one pala. Nakalimutan kong isuot. This one is from Casablanca. Huhubarin ko siya later. Pero para lang ma-shoot ko yung dalawa. Para sulit, 'di ba? We'll see kung maganda.
This is where I should belong, inside a simple song.
Guys, we are finally here sa Boca Beach. Nag-rent kami ng beach bed. This one you have to pay for how much?
30.
30 euros each bed. And you can use it from 9 a.m. no? Hanggang
5 p.m.
And then you also can have lunch here since may restaurant sila doon. Some information, dito, sobrang dami kasi nagpapareserve ng beach bed. So, iba't iba yung rate ng bawat line ng bed. So, kung first line, yung front, mas mahal. Yung second, tapos hindi ko alam kung mas pamura na yung iba. But,
And it's the same price pag second row all the way back.
okay. Yung first row lang yung mas mahal. Pero for me, mas gusto ko yung second or third kasi may nakikita kang tao. Tapos may mga umbrellas pa na hinahangin, ganyan. And may mga naglalakad sa harap na naka-swimsuit. So parang ang ganda niyang tignan. So yeah, we're gonna stay here till lunchtime maybe. Tapos mag-lunch kami somewhere else. And then we might go to a different beach club maybe. May kita nyo pala dito sa kabilang side. Ito, sa view ko na to. Ito yung walang bayad. Parang yung public ba? Dun sa after nung parang barricade or yung fence. Tignan natin kung dito kami magla-lunch. Tapos guys, it's so nice here. It's so relaxing. Actually, may mga natutulog. Kinaantok nga ako. Tapos pwede kang umorder sa menu nila. Ito yung menu nila. Ooh, parang coffee yung o-ordering ko kasi umorder ng iced coffee si ate. Okay, I'll order iced coffee.
Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song. We need coffee. Running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand.
Guys, we are now here in Antibes, pero nasa bus station kami. Medyo may gusto kasi kaming puntahan na sobrang gandang parang may mga rock formation and beach. Ang pangalan niya is Billionaires Bay. It's super duper duper nice, pero it's quite a travel pala. It will take I think it will take you an hour to get there kapag commute, and I think wala rin direct doon, so may walking din to nakasama. So from Niceville, yung main station ng Nice, nag-train kami going to Antibes, and then Antibes na bus going there, tapos mga 10-minute walk. So later we'll show you how pretty the place is. Hindi ko pa rin kasi siya nakikita. It's my first time there. We'll see.
Could never understand the way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways. Been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain
Guys, we're done here. Nagbihis na ako and I'm wearing my swim shorts. I'm wet. Uwi kami ng ganito. Would I recommend this? Yes, for you guys to see at least, but you have to bring slippers or yung mga pangbato na pang swim because it's very slippery. It's nice naman. Ang daming lumot ng mga bato, so it's not safe kapag wala kang slippers, I think. I mean, it's hard for you to go there sa gitna. But I was able to go naman to take some photos. But I think we only stayed for an hour. Now we're leaving. Parang mas magandang mag-sunset sa Nice. But it's nice to see Billionaires Bay. Yun lang. We're going back to Nice para mag-swim and mag-sunset.
Where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know I will love you till I die on shaky grounds. You could never understand the way I am. It's not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
Bonjour. Good morning, guys. We're here at my son, what?
Carly.
Carly. Naiwan kami ng boat going to Saint-Tropez. So, I mean, nagising kami ng late and na-realize namin hindi kami aabot doon kasi 45 minutes before departure pala dapat nando na. Eh, papunta kami, 8 pa lang, 9 aalis yung boat. So, I guess, di na kami tumuloy going to the port para hindi sayang sa travel and time. And naghanap na lang kami ng cafe. So we're eating Madeline and iced coffee. Super nice here. I think our plan na lang today is to look for nice beach club. Tapos maybe hanggang lunchtime or something. Tapos explore more about Nice. Enjoy! Okay, we are in our second coffee. Pangalawang coffee shop na namin to. I'm getting a pano chocolate. We also have another glass of iced Americano and some orange juice, and there's egg muffin na paparating, para siyang eggs Benedict, and it's super cheap, guys. It's only 10 euros for this whole set. No pala, it's still expensive. Bon appetito! Okay, we're back home just to change for our swimwear kasi magpupunta kami ng Boca Beach Club again to relax since di kami umabot sa sa boat going to Saint-Tropez. Nag-breakfast na rin kami. So, I'm going to change to my swimwear, which is yung suot ko yesterday na pinapatuyo namin. This one I got from Ami. VIP sale. So cheap. I got this super cheap. And it's super nice, the color. Look at that. It's very summer. Tapos, my outfit for today, I'm just wearing this sunglasses from Celine. My belt from Celine. This one is from Cause Women's or... Women's ba to? No, men's pala to. Tapos, this pants is from Zara. Just a wide pants. And then this slippers from Hermes. So, let's change to pang swimwear kasi mahaba pa ang araw. We just wanna relax and swim. And then, we'll go to Old Nice later. Yun na lang ang itinerary natin for today, Old Nice. Tapos, might get... a good dinner later since this is our last full day, and then tomorrow we're going to Milan. See you guys.
Un segundo y nada más. Hacia la felicidad.
Bonsoir, guys. It's sticker time. I bought some stickers. I mean, one lang pala. This one says Nice. And I also got a magnet. But I don't usually put magnets na because I have a lot of magnets at home. Kaya lang di ko na siya nilalagay sa ref kasi it ruins the yung door nung ref. Parang nagkakaroon ng marks. So tinatabi ko na lang siya. But I think may mga nilagay ako na yung hindi matigas, yung parang ganito, yung soft na magnet. Yun okay lang kasi hindi siya nag-mark. But yung iba kasing mga magnets, nagkakaroon ng mark. So hindi ko na nilalagay. And then, for Nice, this one, tikit natin here. So happy, madagdagan na naman yung collection ko of my stickers of the places that I visited. This is our last night in Nice. Kanina lumabas lang kami and then we spent full day sa Boca Beach Club. Super duper nice. Parang ang laki ng ginastos namin. Ay, hindi. Yung ginastos pala namin para sa boat na dapat babayaran namin, doon namin ginamit. So, bumili kami ng mga champagne, rosé, kumain din kami doon. And it was super nice. It's super relaxing. I would definitely go back there and to Rue Plage Beach Club na hindi namin na-try kasi full na. But maybe next time, we'll go there. And then, tomorrow early morning 7 a.m. we are going to Milan. Yay! So I'm so excited to see Milan again. And we're also going to Venice. It's my first time going to Venice, so I'm so excited. Pero 2 days lang kasi may school si Raf na kailangan tapusin. So kailangan namin bumalik agad. But it's okay. 2 days is enough to explore Venice. So I'm super excited for that. I hope you guys are too. And then for our travel time from here going to Milan, it will take us 5 hours or 6 hours kasi 7:50 yung train and then dating namin is mga 12, mga almost 1 p.m. na. And kung manggagaling naman kayo ng Paris to Milan, I think if I'm not mistaken, mga 8 hours yun pag direct. But since this one kasi, may mga dinaanan kami. So, going to Nice took us 6 hours. Not bad na rin kasi relaxing naman. And we always book first class para at least hindi sobrang jam-packed yung first class na part ng train. Also, may chance ka na makapaglagay talaga ng mga luggage, lalo kung marami kayong luggage na bitbit. So, anyway, kabit na natin to. I think dito ko siya ilalagay sa baba. And in all fairness, guys, ang sarap pala ng pagkain sa Boca Beach Club. I mean, not all, pero pwede na. Alam, makapal pala na. Hindi. Okay. Trivia, kapag bibili kayo ng stickers na balak nyong ilagay sa mga luggage nyo, especially sa Rimowa, may mga stickers na sobrang ang thick niya, so hindi siya dumidikit ng maayos. So, always make sure na yung maninipis na sticker yung kukunin nyo. Okay? Tabi natin siya sa Switzerland. There. Yay. Yeah. That's all, guys. See you in Milan tomorrow. I love you.